Hey, Breathe Babes. How y'all doing? I know it's not Thursday, but I thought it well to come over and say Happy Fat Tuesday. I'm going to get my mask right. And show you all a quick and easy hurricane recipe in honor of Fat Tuesday. So I'm really excited. Last year I was in New Orleans and I had the most amazing time and I enjoyed the best beignets and hurricanes and all that good stuff. But I have a really quick and simple recipe. Get this right. For a hurricane. Hey, y'all. Hey, it's Mother Mixologist, aka the Simple Sister, and I'm here with a quick video on a tasty hurricane. So let's go. For this one, we're going to use rum. I'm going to go ahead and put some ice in my glass. I'm going to show you a trick. So it's typically made with passion fruit and orange juice, fresh squeezed lime. However, I just did a quick impromptu and I didn't go and I do usually make my passion fruit by hand, and I didn't go to the store or anything. I just woke up this morning and felt real Fat Tuesday-ish. So I said, let me stop on by the Breathe personal beverage page and show my friends some Fat Tuesday love. So we're going to make a simple hurricane that you can make at home. I'm going to serve this one on the rocks. Instead of orange juice today, I'm going to use pineapple juice. And as I told you guys how snobbish I am with, and we're going to do this moving, how snobbish I am with that old bottle juice stuff. I'm just not, I can't get into it. Never have, never will. I'm looking for my knife so I can cut the lime. And it looks like it is in my bag. Wow. Okay, well, we're going to just keep moving because I know it's somewhere here. And if not, I'll figure it out. I'm going to go ahead and add some rum. So you want to use a light rum. You can use dark rum or both, depending on how turned you want to be. I'm going to use a light rum. So here we're going to do 2 ounces of that. Throw that in there. Now, real quick, I want to show you guys. Oh, I see my knife. Give me 1 second. Ta-da! I'm back. I want to show you, I'm going to go ahead and cut a lime. I want to show you guys a really quick way to juice pineapple without using the bottled juice. It's really simple. You just take some fresh pineapple and you cut it up, put it in your blender. You need a cheesecloth or some sort of cloth that you can squeeze and strain your juice through. So I got a cloth here. As you can see, it's got holes in it. My juicer today, I'm just going to use a hand juicer. And I'll go ahead and juice up some lime because this is going to have a mixture of, and this is a variation of a hurricane. So I don't want to hear no, that ain't the hurricane. You'll love it. Minus the orange juice. I've made an infused coconut simple syrup, lime juice, and we're going to do pineapple juice today instead of orange, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and juice some lime real quick here. Get y'all out the way. How's everyone's day? I hope you are super excited as I am for, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Thursday at noon. I'll see you there. Got some really fun things to share. So I can't wait for that. And also, still hyping up the SIP Social Club. You guys really want to get involved. I'm so thankful for, wow, I have 4 committed and purchased memberships to the SIP Socially Inspired Personal Beverage Club. So I want to thank Tasha Houston Wilson and Brenda Givens, Annette Starnes, Collier. I don't want to get it wrong, but so those 3 ladies are committed and paid members of the SIPS Socially Inspired Personal Beverage Club. Really thank you guys for your continued support and your membership. You will not be disappointed. So again, we're just doing a really quick hurricane in honor of Fat Tuesday, and I got enough lime juice there, so we'll go ahead and put a half ounce of lime. Wow, perfect. I'm just right on it. I'm going to go ahead and do that a little extra since it's in there. Got the lime juice in there. And I just use my nice little hand juicer. You don't have to be too fancy. You got a little hand juicer at home, juice you some juice. And I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to do some pineapple. And because like I told you the other day, I'm not sure how my blender is going to do, so I'm going to sit that over there for the time being. And I'm going to scoot this blender over here. Okay, don't give me no problems. Okay, there we go, there we go. And I'm going to throw some fresh pineapple, y'all. I got some chunks of pineapple. Go ahead and throw that in your blender. Real quick, like, get it going. Throw that in your blender. Okay. Get me a nice little combustion. I want to pop a piece in my mouth. Sorry. Not sorry. Okay. So you got that. You want to go ahead. I say diced chopped sausage. See here. May add a little liquid. I'll just add let me add a little rum in there. Ain't nothing like some rum soaked pineapples if you never had any. I'm really making noise today. Give it a stir in case it wants to get stuck on the bottom there. Get it out of there. It's getting there, y'all. Slowly but surely. Gotta get it down in there, you know, so you can get around those, loosen those blades up every now and then. If you feel like your stuff ain't mixing, get down in there with your bar spoon and send it a shaking. Send it a shaking. Pop it up. A little bit, you gotta give it a little effort to get a great, to produce a great product. Once you do that, you're on. Okay, there we go. So now, I want to show you a really quick tweak on some fresh pineapple juice that you can do for yourself. You want to use your little cloth. Put that over your glass if you want. You pour your pineapple juice in your cloth, like so. Okay. Like so. And you can give it a squeeze. It's just going to get the excess out for you, okay? Give it a squeeze. And all that extra, let me show y'all. All that extra pineapple will be in your cloth, and you'll just have the juice from it. Pour some more in there. Okay. Lift that up. Give it a quick squeeze. Could be a little messy, but you get the gist. Quick squeeze. I got my bar towel, so I'm good. Again, all that nice pineapple, like the skin of the, the fat of that is in there. You ain't got none of that in your cup, so don't get all worked up. Oh God, I don't want all that in my cup. No, you ain't gonna have none of that in your cup. Okay. Squeeze that. Perfect, guys. Perfect. This is doing exactly what I wanted it to do. But I'm just trying to show you guys some easy ways to do your own juices, okay? Okay. I think that's good. I still got a little left, but I'll drink that myself. I'm going to sit this over here. Grab my bar towel, because you always want to have a bar towel close when you're working with stuff like this, okay? Got my bar towel. I'm going to go ahead and sit my blender back in here so we can finish off this simple hurricane recipe. Okay? And again, like I said, sometimes it takes a little extra work, but it's worth it for the product that you're going to get. Okay, I want you to get at a nice stir. Get your fresh pineapple juice, your rum, stir it up in there. Your lime juice is in there now. Now, I told you guys I made a coconut infused, and I just boiled coconut in hot water with some sugar and made a coconut infused simple. So I'm going to go ahead and put a half ounce of that to give it that great coconut flavor, because you can use a coconut rum, of course, but I just, went ahead and used a regular old Bacardi. So you can use Malibu if you like, okay? Got that stirred up. Okay. Now, to finish this off, I'm going to go ahead and do a nice grenadine or a amaretto red top of it. Okay, there you go. Ooh, that looks beautiful. And then we're going to garnish her with a pineapple. And if you like, you can drop some straws in. That's up to you. But there you have a simple yet tasty hurricane recipe. In parts, we have 2 ounces of white rum. We have some fresh juiced pineapple instead of orange. We're going to replace it with that. For the tropical, I am using a coconut infused simple syrup. I have that if you all would like to order. Hit me up, hit me up. And then I topped it with a nice cherry top. See that? Looks really nice. Really, really good. Let me give it a taste. I'll let you guys know how it is. You would definitely want to try this recipe. Rum, pineapple, fresh squeeze, lime, fresh squeeze, coconut simple syrup made by me, Breathe, Simple Sister, and a cherry top. Garnish it with a pineapple, and there you have a simple hurricane recipe. Listen, happy Fat Tuesday. Be safe out there. Have lots of fun. Enjoy your day. I'll see you Thursday for it's 5 o'clock somewhere. And be blessed.